SmashTroll partook in some hearty revelry last night. And when SmashTrolls revel, they revels hard. And occasionally ends up destroying a few people's livelihoods in the process. Which may be exactly what happened last night. I must make amends to those I've wronged. But I fear that the puny humans will simply run for the hills at the first sight of SmashTroll. As always. But you have a calming presence. Will you accompany SmashTroll on his quest for redemption? I am in your debt. Come. My trail of destruction leads this way. Look, there's one of those people that SmashTroll must apologize to. Greetings, friend.
You're the monster what ruined my favorite barrel pyramid. I spent hours stacking them barrels.
Well, let me make it up to you.
Oh, what are you gonna do? What manner of witchcraft is this? Forgive you now.
Hooray! Score one for SmashTroll! And his friend.
I'll never let anyone hurt you again, Barrel Pyramid.
That looks like more of SmashTroll's handiwork. Hopefully this person will be more forgiving. Hello there.
There you are! Look what you did to my cart! How am I supposed to make a living with my cart all wrecked?
I'm very sorry. I'll fix your cart right away. And by I mean we. The royal we. As in...
You think you can sort it? Be my guest. I was just going to use the pieces for kindling, but... Yes, nice.
Well, I'll be... She's as good as new. All right, you big green rascal, you're forgiven.
Just try to stay out of trouble, eh? Now, where was I going again?
SmashTroll's friend strikes again. Now, let us continue before he remembers I also ate everything inside the cart. More humans in distress. It's all coming back to SmashTroll.
Well, if it ain't the monster what sat on me brother so hard he got stuck in the ground.
Hey, it's not so bad down here, actually.
Shush you!
SmashTroll is shamed beyond words. We must find a way to pull this fellow from his soily prison.
It's really no bother, you know?
For the last time, you're not spending the rest of your life down there. We've got bills to pay. You did it! Best. Ma's new wooden legs aren't going to pay for themselves. Guess I was wrong about you, Greenface. You're not so bad after all.
It feels like a weight has been lifted off SmashTroll's green-skinned shoulders. Now that he no longer bears the scorn of these humans. For such small creatures, they make their ill tempers well known. You have my thanks, friend. I'd say this calls for celebrations! But modest celebrations, of course. SmashTroll's days of reckless rampaging revelry are behind him.
Wait, that's more like it.
Blooming Merlin, bringing his blooming culture to the place. He's not the one who has to tidy up the mess. Can you give me a hand rearranging these rocks? Whoever set this henge up got it completely wrong. I know how it's supposed to look, but I can't lift these big rocks. Can you believe they built this thing upside down? It's so obviously wrong. Thanks. I was not looking forward to putting that together. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, phew. And it's the right way up now. Nice work.
My magic appears to be well suited to deal with this.
Well, I'm flabbergasted. You learned that trick from Merlin? Now that's a henge. I'm glad someone around here gets it. Here, have this for your trouble. Back to admire your handiwork, eh? Can't blame you. These are some impressive rocks. As someone who's once...
Here.
Kang spies with his digital eye something beginning with C. It's Chronopolis.
So bloody hell.
Kang is watching you. Always watching.
You there! Your king would ask for your... Aye, it is indeed I, the noble King Arthur Pendragon. You may have heard tell of the time I defeated the evil Black Knight. Well, not the most recent one. The one... Indeed. It seems recent events have overshadowed my acts of bravery. Which leaves me no other option. I must slay a dragon! Yes, that is the only sure way to demonstrate my heroism to the kingdom. Alas, your king is a little... out of practice. Perhaps some training by way of a crusade through Chronopolis is in order. Would you grant me your assistance in this matter? Excellent! Then let us away! This world is full of scoundrels. What better use for them than to strengthen my mettle?
Must find bad people. Scare them away.
Hark! Enemies approach!
I've noticed a number of people complaining that the roads in Chronopolis...
Oh, so your approach is more of a swish flick slice than a slice swish flick. This training is most valuable.
Blimey, this isn't how it's meant to be.
Over already? I've barely a dewdrop on my brow.
That ruffian.
It appears I'm inadvertently training what those delightful Manhattanites refer to as their glutes. Ahead of us! More fiends! I say, how do you do that thing with your feet? Oh wait! I think I have it! I feel stronger just by watching you. Not that that's all I was doing, I assure you. On to the next. As those delightful Wakandans say, no pain, no vibranium. Actually, that might not apply here. Or even be the correct quote.
Fancy to hike, huh?
Another gathering of villains. How about you? My sword is like an extension of my arm. Now my other arm is like another sword. To watch you in combat is a true thrill, akin to that amusing contraption known as the carrier wheel. An excellent display. I believe one more encounter will be sufficient for today.
Looked like something big was going down on top of the Avengers mansion earlier. Maybe not anything to do with
Noticed no one has thought to write a national anthem for our great nation of Chronopolis.
Look there! Are those tiny dragons? What better way to train my steel in dragon slaying? Attack!
Oh, this always happens!
Ugh. Crazy Renaissance farers. Always taking it too far.
It would seem the foul creatures have eaten the citizens. Don't worry. Your king shall save you.
What are you doing, you crazy mook?
No need to thank me. Just doing my kingly duties. Well, I dare say I feel veritably invigorated after that campaign. And what luck that we would encounter those strange miniature dragons. With this experience, I believe I am sufficiently prepared to face a full-size dragon. Assuming Merlin has finished his preparations. At any rate, my thanks for your assistance.
I could have totally been
Prithee, go tell Merlin to gather my things and prepare for an adventure!
Where could those pigs have got to? I can't believe I would leave the gate open. If you see any of my pigs, would you mind bringing them back to the pen? I'd be very grateful. You found Swinestein. The world would be lost without his genius. up from here. Those guys sure love creating. Oh, I've made a real pig's ear out of this. Ikpei, you little scamp. Where did you run off to? I hope a panther doesn't get hold of them. Ah, Black Panther, you found her. I worried you'd be eaten by a panther. It is fun to ride the pigs back to the pen when they escape, but I would never let them escape just to get the chance. Well, except for that one time. I must... Wow! That's all of the pigs! Thank you so much. Here.
An interesting item.